like I was saying, shrimp is the fruit of the sea. You can barbecue it, boil it, broil it, bake it, saute it. There's shrimp kebabs, shrimp creole, shrimp gumbo, pan fried, deep fried, stir fried. There's pineapple shrimp, lemon shrimp, coconut shrimp.
And then there's Bang Bang Shrimp. That's right, Bang Bang Shrimp. We're doing it today, so stick around. Simple, delicious, easy to make. Okay, we're going to start off with 1 cup of mayonnaise. Put that into our bowl for mixing. Then 1/2 cup of Thai sweet chili sauce. 1/2 cup of Frank's Red Hot with lime sauce. If you can't find that, just use Frank's Red Hot and a tablespoon of lime juice. Next, we use 1 tablespoon of Dijon seasoning. I know, I always say that wrong. And we'll give it a good mix. Now I've got 10 jumbo shrimp that I've peeled, deveined, and washed, sitting on paper towel. I'm going to add some olive oil to a bowl. Put all the shrimp into the bowl with the olive oil. And I'm going to add a generous amount of smoked paprika. And then I'll add about 3 tablespoons of garlic. I like the paste. If not, you can just chop up your garlic clove and put it in there. And I mix it all up real good. Make sure all the shrimp is coated with the garlic and the paprika. Then I've got my frying pan out on my induction cooktop. I'm going to add about 1.5 tablespoons of coconut oil. Get the heat on, about medium. And once that coconut oil is nice and hot, we're going to place our shrimp into the frying pan. And we'll cook our shrimp about 3 to 4 minutes per side in the coconut oil. And while that's going, I got my pot of water boiling. Add 1 pound of pasta and cook as directed on the box. Alright, back to our shrimp. Time to flip the other side. And then we'll remove the shrimp from the frying pan in about 3 to 5 more minutes. While I'm doing that, please remember to like, subscribe, share the channel. Leave a comment if you can, it really helps. Okay, I got 1 small package. I believe it's a 6 to 8 ounce package of frozen peas. Put it into a mixing bowl. Then I'm going to take my hot pasta, strain it, put it right on top of those peas to help them defrost. And I'm going to bring the bowl over to the counter, add our sauce we made earlier, mix well. We'll add our shrimp, and it's time to serve. And that's Bang Bang Shrimp. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I know I did. And please remember to hit that bell, stay up to date on newest recipes. Thank you.